Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the last problem from the exercise 4.1. Let us observe the question. Simplify and give the reasons. 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 7. Okay, so here we need to find out the value of this by using simplification of this one. So firstly let us write what we have given. We have given is a 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 7. If you observe this question carefully, we can notice that the powers of these two bases are negative. So firstly we need to make these powers as a positive by using this formula, that is of a to the power of minus n can be written as 1 by a whole to the power of positive n, and here you have our base is a fraction. So to make this base a negative power as a positive power, we need to take a reciprocal of this base, that is a reciprocal of 4 by 7, that is of 7 by 4 whole to the power of positive 5. Here also reciprocal of it is what, 4 by 7 whole to the power of positive 7. Now we can apply these powers for individual terms of the numerator and denominator. So this can be written as 7 to the power of 5 by 4 to the power of 5 into 4 to the power of 7 by 7 to the power of 7. So here both the bases are same, 7 to the power of 5 by 7 to the power of 7. So this I can write 7 to the power of 5 by 7 to the power of 7 into 4 to the power of 7 by 4 to the power of 5. By using this formula of a by b, that is a to the power of m by a to the power of n, that can be written as a to the power of m to the m minus n. By using this formula, this we can simplify it as 7 to the power of 5 minus 7 into 4 to the power of 7 minus 5. So 7 to the power of 5 minus 7, that is 7 to the power of minus 2 into 4 to the power of positive 2. This can be written as 4 square by 7 square. 4 square is 16, 7 square is 49. So this is our final answer.